Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of a tool that's a must-have for anyone who values precision in their measurements, the Starrett EC799A-8 stainless steel electronic caliper. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Starrett EC799A-8? This electronic slide caliper is designed for measuring up to 8 inches, with a remarkable resolution of 0.0005 inches or 0.01 millimeters. It's an essential tool for engineers, machinists, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering the accuracy and reliability that Starrett is known for. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the standout features of this caliper. First and foremost, it's built with ergonomics in mind. The lightweight design ensures that it's comfortable to hold and easy to use, which is crucial during long measurement sessions. The construction quality is top-notch, featuring hardened stainless steel measuring surfaces that provide exceptional durability and resistance to corrosion, important factors for tools that will be used in various environments. One of the major highlights of the EC799A-8 is its large, high-contrast LCD display. This feature makes it incredibly easy to read measurements quickly and accurately. You won't have to squint or strain your eyes, which is a common issue with smaller, less clear displays. The readability of the screen is a game-changer, especially in environments with varying lighting conditions. Another practical aspect to note is the automatic shut-off feature. After 30 minutes of inactivity, the caliper will turn itself off to save battery life. But don't worry, reactivating it is as simple as a quick push of the in/mm or 0 on off button or moving the slide. This ensures that you don't lose your last measurement, which is particularly useful when you're working on a project that requires multiple measurements. The EC799A-8 also shines with its adjustable metric conversion options. Whether you need readings in inches or millimeters, this caliper can seamlessly switch between the two, making it versatile for various projects. This adaptability makes it the perfect tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who might work with different measurement systems. Now, who is this caliper suitable for? If you're a machinist or an engineer, you'll appreciate the precision this tool brings to your work. It's also ideal for woodworkers looking to ensure their cuts are accurate or for hobbyists who engage in detailed DIY projects. Even if you're just starting, having a reliable measuring tool like the Starrett EC799A-8 can greatly enhance your accuracy and confidence in your projects. Let's consider a few practical use cases. Imagine you're working on a woodworking project, and you need to cut pieces to specific lengths. This caliper can help you measure wood accurately, ensuring that your cuts fit perfectly. If you're a mechanic, you might use this tool to measure the thickness of components or the diameter of fittings. For those involved in crafting or model making, the precision of this caliper ensures that every detail is just right. In summary, the Starrett EC799A-8 stainless steel electronic caliper is a fantastic tool for anyone who values precision and ease of use. With its ergonomic design, easy-to-read display, automatic shut-off feature, and durable materials, it stands out in the market for measuring tools. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this caliper is a reliable companion for all your measurement needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.